Hey lads, TechScanning here. So even though Google's upcoming Pixel 8 series is far away from us, but we are already getting some key details about the handsets, especially about the Pixel 8 Pro, that it will sport a flat screen and an exclusive thermometer sensor. However, now a recent report shared that the standard Pixel 8 will get a huge camera upgrade alongside the Pro variant. So the information came from the known developer and leaker Camila, who dug into Google's camera app coding and found that Google will offer an upgraded camera setup on its upcoming Pixel series. So both Pixel 8 and the 8 Pro will feature a new main camera that will be a 50-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GN2 sensor, which is larger and can capture 35% more light than the GN1 used in the Pixel 6 and 7 series. It is even bigger than the Samsung's 200-megapixel sensor that we saw on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So in general, the larger the sensor means the more light it can capture. That can result in better low-light photography, reduced noise, and good dynamic range. Moreover, the larger sensor size lets you achieve that soft, nice background blur, something like the dedicated digital cameras. For the ultra-wide camera, though Google won't install a new sensor on the standard Pixel 8, so it will have the same 12-megapixel Sony IMX386. However, they have widened the field of view from 0.67x to 0.55x, that is on par with the Pixel 7 Pro. Just like its predecessor, there will be no telephoto sensor on the standard Pixel 8. Another thing, both the standard Pixel 8 and the Pro variant will get the same 11-megapixel selfie camera as their predecessors. Not just the hardware, the Pixel 8 series software is set to bring many changes. There will be an adaptive torch feature that can adjust the flash intensity based on the scene. This could be great to avoid overexposed shots in low light situations. Also, Google might allow the user to select the blur level in the cinematic mode. There could be the segmentation AWB feature that divides the scene into different parts and then apply the processing accordingly using AI. Like in a single shot, the processing will be different for the people and the trees. Qualcomm introduced a similar feature with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, so it will be interesting how well Google will do it. Anyway, Google may launch the Pixel 8 series in October. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.